farmers used to leave the fence rows up, then they left the trees up, and that is where they nested. Now a lot of the younger farmers are taking down all the trees, all the fences, and what they're not realizing is they're taking down the best rodent controls you'll ever get. Nothing is better than hawks, owls, eagles, and so you want to bring those in. Now, Casper is different from other owls in the fact that barn owls tend to be a little taller and they're lankier. They have longer legs, and if you look at Casper's face, he's got very dark brown eyes. Many owls have yellow eyes. The other thing is, can anybody notice an unusual thing about his face? They have been nicknamed the Sweet Owls. They've also been named the Ghost Owls. Okay, you can imagine if you were Farmer John in the 1820s, he went out to milk the cows and one of these swooped down. A lot of people thought they were reincarnated grandma or grandpa. So, yeah, you have that going. What else? So distinctly look at his face, and I want you to think of a robin. What do you notice different? I'll give you a hint about his beak. And you are correct. You can't see his beak because instead of his beak coming straight out, it goes straight down. Okay. Now, every owl in the world, from the great gray to the elf owl, all have what is called a facial disc. The scientists have tested owls' hearing, and they can actually hear a mouse 6 feet under snow. So where's Liam? Liam is 6 feet. So if the bird was on top of his head, he could hear a mouse under his feet. Pretty doggone good hearing. Now, I want you to notice something else, and I love this display. When you look for birds, you normally look at the branches, okay? But I want you to think about this. If this was your tree, and he didn't want you to see him, he would put his face into the trunk, and he disappears. And on the back, all those little whites are called freckles. The more freckles they have, the more handsome and beautiful they are to another owl. We are told, we bought these owls for Raven, we were told that our owls are pretty handsome. So, but if you didn't know that, to me they look like bugs. So you would just think, oh, there's lots of bugs crawling. They can easily eat 4 mice a day. And when they have babies, they did a study. You get mom and dad, you get 4 babies, and in 12 weeks, if the farmers would leave the trees, they would eat 1,000 mice or equivalent. Little chipmunks, moles, voles, and that type of thing.